Welcome back, YouTubers. It's OldChevy4x4 coming to you today with a little cooking video, guys. Today we're going to make some New Year's gumbo. Stick around. Alrighty, guys. I'd say that's preheated to an extent. Go ahead and add in our oil. Per the recipe, there's about a cup of oil there. Do that. About a cup and a half of flour. And now the fun part begins. We stir, and we stir, and we stir, and we stir. The whole stirring constantly thing, that's a rule. It's not a suggestion. You know, this is going to show on the camera. I'll try to get a picture for you and post it on screen so you can see the color I'm looking at. And we are ready at this point to add our vegetables. Alright, so that's the color we're going for, guys. Lighter than chocolate, but definitely getting dark. Precariously. There's one more time. We're going to add in our veggies, which are actually frozen at this point. It's 10 degrees out here, guys. If you were wondering. Go ahead and stir them into that roux. And let them saute for, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that. We'll see. Let's see how they look. Of course, can't see nothing now for the steam. I'm going to throw some more coals on there so we get a good hot heat source. I'm going to go in and get my broth. We need 1.5 gallons of broth, so you know it's going to need a lot of heat. I'm going to get a spoon because this thing right here is fantastic for gravy, but once you get to this point, it's useless. Alright, time is kind of the essence here, guys, so I'm going to move quick, shut the camera off, and we got to go. So now comes the fun part. Like I said, 1.5 gallons of broth, guys. Probably should have poured this into a bowl first and then dumped it in. Didn't really think that one out all the way. Ideally, you really want to be stirring as you're adding the stuff in, but to be totally honest with you, it's not exactly an option sometimes. Alright, we've been simmering away, as you can see. It's time to add in some more ingredients. So, first of all, find ourselves. We're going to throw in a splash of vinegar, and by a splash I mean like a teaspoon. Okay, a splash of vinegar. I'm going to toss in about a tablespoon of sugar. Some coarse salt in there too. I'm going to add in some Louisiana style hot sauce. There's really no measurement for this. But to be totally honest with y'all, when I'm cooking, there's no measurement for anything. It is as much as looks right. Of course, we're going to add some pepper. I'm using this chipotle black pepper tonight. Smokehouse pepper would be good, or just black pepper would be fine. I want something a little, you know, a little kick to it. Stir this up. Buddy, let me tell you, this smells fantastic. Can't see it, but it smells real good. To all that deliciousness, I'm going to add my collard greens, and the recipe calls for bacon. I used hog jowl, being that it's New Year's. Alright, now we got about 1.5 pounds of barbecue. Alright, now for the most part I followed this recipe right along, but the amount of peas to me was not enough, so I'm going to just about triple that amount of peas. Creole seasoning. We're going to be liberal. This is to taste. There's no measurement. Lid back on there. Heat going to the top side. Man, oh man, we got some hog jowl, some cornbread, and a big old bowl of New Year's gumbo. Let me tell you what, guys, this is served up over rice. See it there? Fantastic, outstanding meal. I'm going to put a link to the recipe down there below. Go check it out. As always, guys, I do appreciate each and every one of y'all watching the videos, checking out the channel, leaving the comments, and all that good stuff. Y'all do me a favor, please stay safe, stop back, eat well. Thank you for watching. Best of luck in 2018. We'll see you.